episode of Cooking with Tommy. Today we're going to make shoulder steak with a garlic and herb seasoning on it. Stay tuned. For this seasoned steak, the ingredients you're going to need are lemon pepper, garlic and herb seasoning, oregano, bay leaves, minced garlic, steaks, olive oil, and 1 chopped onion. First thing we're going to do is chop up the onion and dice it up. Now that our onions are diced, we're going to throw them in the pan with a little olive oil. Alright, now we're going to add a little olive oil. And we're going to put the onions in there, let them saute for a little bit. After that, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic for flavor. And that's going to saute for a few moments. Now that the onions are nice and brown, we're going to move them to the side so they don't get too burned. And now we're going to go season our meat. Here we got some shoulder steaks. First thing we're going to do, we're going to put a little bay leaves on it. Next, some oregano. Then garlic and herb seasoning. And then a little lemon pepper. Now the meat's seasoned, it's time to get it in the fryer. Now we're going to place the meat in the frying pan. Let that cook and sizzle real nice. Again, the onions, we can just drop it right on top. Give it more flavor. This way they don't burn. Always keep it on a medium heat. Now this is great to serve with any dish. Me, I'm serving it with pasta. So we're going to let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on each side, and we'll come back and see how it turns out. Now we're going to flip these guys and see how they look. Nice and golden and brown. That's exactly where you want them. A lot of flavor. And we're going to leave them for another 15 minutes. And they'll be finished. Put a little bit of the glazed onions on there. Looks delicious. And now we're just waiting on the pasta. I like to serve this dish with macaroni with fettuccine Alfredo sauce. Look how nice that looks. It's a nice easy dinner if you're coming home late from work and you just want something quick. And then last thing, just top it off with a little basil. And that's it. There you have it. This is Cooking with Tommy. Have a great one.